This video is about how to wash your clothes in a more environmentally conscious way in terms of products we're using, washing them, and then drying them as well. But also check out the other two videos on buying clothes and extending the life cycle of our clothes in a more responsible way. So firstly, what products are we using to wash our clothes with? So we're considering packaging type, ingredients, company ethics, CO2 footprint, and microplastics. We want the packaging type to be recyclable and refillable, and we want the ingredients to be ethical, non-toxic, vegan, and that's palm oil-free and cruelty-free. We want the company to have good ethics, to have a low carbon footprint, and to have no microplastics in the product that we're using. So we're steering clear of your damaging and corrupt Persil, Fairy, Ariel. So what products are we using? Well, if you want to carry on using laundry detergent, at least make sure it's refillable and fits that criteria of being non-toxic, etc. Faith in Nature do one of these, but an absolutely groundbreaking one that I would personally encourage is laundry strips. So this one is by Dip, but there's also the Green Company and the Lab Company. You can see it's recyclable, very minimal packaging, and inside you just get these. So that would do a load of washing. You'd maybe use just about this much for a hand wash. And you literally just put it in your wash with your clothes. And you can see that it is vegan and cruelty-free, plastic-free, biodegradable, and natural and plant-based ingredients. So it's a really, really good switch to make. And even milkmen are delivering these now. Yes, there can be greenwashing, but this seems like a really genuine company, and there are other alternatives out there. But yeah, you do need to be careful of greenwashing. But also soap nuts. I haven't got any here to show you, but I'll display some here. They are so, so great, but also remember that you can make your own to be even more ethical. I'll attach a link to how to do this in the description. And then tips for actually washing your clothes. So the first tip is wash them less often. They probably don't need to be washed as often as you think they do. It releases unnecessary microplastics, it damages the quality of your clothes, and it uses unnecessary energy. Only wash full loads of washing. If it doesn't fill the barrel, then just hand wash it instead. You want to be lowering the temperature. This makes our clothes last longer. And if you do have an eco setting, then switch that on. Finally, drying your clothes. Tumble dryers. Tumble dryers not only account for 1.8 kilograms of CO2 per hour, they also churn out 120 million microplastics each year. Yep, straight into your home. I understand that everybody has different circumstances, and some people won't be able to get a tumble dryer, and some people won't be able to get a radiator. So find what works for you. But if we are able to move away from tumble dryers, that is a really good switch. So using safe radiators instead, or even better, air drying it. And if we can do that, then we're using charity shop plastic pegs or wooden pegs. And then the final tip is to use eco-friendly. In this case, that means biodegradable and reusable dryables, and it just reduces the amount that they need to dry once they come out of the machine. Also keep your eyes peeled for new inventions like Lilo's washing machine that cleans the water from your shower and uses that to clean your clothes. And also Guppy Friend bag, which is a bag that catches the microplastics that would otherwise be released in your wash. So that is it. If you use a washing machine, you are now ready to wash your clothes in a more environmentally friendly way.